Today I have a Stitch Fix, another one, but this one is for my son. He's 8 years old. And
I'm right here.
He's here with me. His name is Jack. And I thought we would do a Stitch Fix Kids and see what it's like. So you open it up. They did send some stickers for Jack. Do you want your stickers, buddy?
Hmm.
And it looks like there's 2 bundles in there, and there's a return envelope. The styling fee for this is $20 like the adult box. I do believe you get more items, and if I remember, each piece is pretty reasonably priced. So just like the adult box, we get styling cards. This time they don't really show suggestions, they just show the pieces included.
I remember this.
And
it was the suggestion.
Yeah. They have like a style shuffle, just like with the adult box. For the kids, and Jack and I were playing with that the other day. So they also have a price list, and we'll put that over here and go over that as we go over things. There's a note from your stylist, Jackie. You want me to read it to you?
Mm-hmm.
Her name is Anna. It says, "Welcome to Stitch Fix. Your mom said you needed pants and shirts, so I sent lots of great things for looking cool and staying comfortable while you're having fun. All of the awesome shirts that I sent can be mixed and matched with the bottoms, making it easier to get dressed every day. Since you like gaming," I told her you like gaming, "I thought that you would especially love the black video game controller tee that I sent you." That'll be cool. And it says, "Have fun. Anna. P.S. What do you want in your next fix? Ask your mom to let me know when you check out." And I see a picture of the tee she's talking about. It says it glows in the dark. Alright, so let's get started. This will be fun to look at these things. Let's start with this smaller package. It comes in the brown paper. There's your first pack. And then it has the Stitch Fix. Alright, first thing on top is a polo shirt. Oh, it's super soft. What do you think of that, Jackie? Yeah, Jack likes that. I told her your favorite color was blue. She sent a red one. Okay, here is the controller one that they sent. This is by Rue and Ryder. That's pretty. This polo was by Roomy and Ryder. That's what it is. Alright. Oh, and I told her you like layers. He likes to wear hoodies. So she sent this. This looks like it's by Sovereign Code Los Angeles Boys.
Wait, do I have
a hoodie.
Sweaters?
I'll have to look. It's got racing stripes down the side and then pockets. You like that one, Jack?
Yeah.
A nice pair of soft pants for you. Oh, I thought they looked a little big. Maybe not. They're just a straight. They're not skinny, thin, slim. They're a slim. It does say slim. Slim straight by Laser. And something that's something that's important for Jack is to have these adjustable elastics, because he's got a thin waist. Those are nice. And then it looks like a pair of black jeans by the same company, Laser. This is also a skinny. You like the black? He likes the black. All right. Next, let's go to the next bundle, and then we'll talk prices. Oh, this one's bigger. Look, Jack. I don't see any blue. Do you see blue?
Yeah. It's light. Actually.
Oh, okay. There's blue on the jammies. Those are jammies. We'll have to tell her for sure to get more blue, don't you think, Jackie? All right, this first one. Look at this one, Jack. It looks like it might be reversible, so you can wear the red one day and then wear the blue and green the next. So a nice flannel. You don't like button-down shirts, do you?
I don't like them much, but only if I have something
underneath, like to layer. Okay. Yeah, it does say it's reversible. That's kind of neat, though, huh? Oh, this would have been perfect if it was blue. It's almost pink. What do you think about this, Jack?
Kind of a no.
Kind of, but no?
I don't like dinosaurs anymore, and it's also almost pink.
It is almost pink. We might have to say no to this one, but Jack was really into dinosaurs when he was younger.
Yeah. And more dinosaurs.
She must think you're into dinosaurs. We're going to have to tell her. Not so much the dinosaurs anymore, but these are cute. It's a pair of jammies.
But it's blue, so I like it more than the other
and dinosaurs are good. I like dinosaurs. So a short-sleeved pair of jammies with stripes. Those are really cute.
I like them better than that other one.
Oh, and I didn't tell you like the makers. That was Roomy and Ryder. And the t-shirt was Odin and Ivy. Alright, we're almost done. We got 2 more pairs of pants. Ooh, these look comfortable, Jack.
Ooh, I like them.
It's a pair of sweatpants, almost like joggers, but they don't really go in much at the bottom.
They have zip pockets.
Do you like that?
Mm-hmm.
They're kind of a heather light gray. These look really comfortable, especially for gym day. They are by Capsule. Adorable. And last but not least, more Roomy and Ryder. This is a 5-pocket pant.
I like it.
I like it too. And are they adjustable? Yep. These can work. A nice, pretty color. Dark brown, not a dark brown, a dark tan. All right, Jack, so what do you think overall? Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try any of them on for me? Nah, I didn't think so. What do you think of that, Jack? Show the t-shirt a little bit more. Open it up. Yeah, that's really cute. You want to keep that one?
Mm-hmm.
Jack says he wants to keep everything but the pink dinosaur shirt. Thank you for trying that on for me, buddy. High five.
It's a fist bump.
All right, let's look at the prices for these.
Wait, that's it?
That's all. That's a lot. Now we're
No,
gonna.
it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-mm.
We're gonna look at the prices. Okay. So let's see. These 5-pocket slim pants are $24. It says blue. Those don't look blue. Laser. Oh, maybe I got the wrong one. Hold on. These aren't laser. These are Roomy and Ryder. Khaki. Okay. They're calling it khaki. These are $26. Sorry. And then these are by Capsule. They're calling them a jogger. Off-white, and these are $20. It's a good price. The jammies. Looking. What brand are these? Roomy and Ryder. There's a lot of the Roomy and Ryder. Oh, here they are. $24. Not bad for a 2-piece. And then the shirt that he didn't like, that's the Dino shirt by Odin and Ivy. It says burgundy, but he doesn't care for it. It's $12. That's the cheapest one, and you don't like it. That's okay. I'm just teasing you. And then this really nice button-down shirt this is by Taylor Vintage. This one might be expensive. It's $26. And then these laser pants that are black are $24. The jeans are $24 by the same company. Alright, and then the hoodie. How much is the hoodie? You want to at least try the hoodie on?
Sure.
Alright, here it is. Try this on and I'll figure out how much it costs. It's called the Moto Full Zip Fleece, and it is $24. And then, I really like this polo. Do you like this polo, Bubba?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
You like it? It also says it's burgundy, and it's $18. That would be good for church. Oh, and then you have to keep this, right? This is, hold on. Okay, this one is $18. And it's got enough room where he can grow a little bit. And it glows in the dark. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like, is that a PlayStation controller?
Ah.
Oh, maybe they just made it up.
Nice.